Imagine a computer so small, it fits in the palm of your hand. Now imagine that same tiny silver box is actually more powerful than a massive $3,000 professional workstation. For a very long time, this idea seemed completely impossible. It defied the laws of physics. But the tech world is about to be turned upside down. We are looking at a machine that will change everything you know about desktop computers. This is the story of the upcoming M5 Mac Mini. It is a computer that breaks all the old rules. It is already being called the ultimate Mac studio killer. It represents the end of the budget era as we know it. For over 10 years, the Mac Mini had a very specific reputation. It was always known as the cheap option. People usually bought the Mac Mini when they simply could not afford a true Pro model. It was a basic, simple box. You would find it sitting quietly in a small home office or hidden away in a dark server closet. It was never the star of the show. It did basic tasks very well, but no one expected it to be a powerhouse. However, everything started to shift recently. The older M4 redesign kicked off a brand new era for Apple desktops. It showed the world that small computers could actually do some heavy lifting. Now, as we sit here in 2026, Apple is ready to release something truly mind-blowing. The M5 Mac Mini is not just another small yearly update. It is a massive leap forward in technology. For the very first time, Apple is putting their incredible Fusion architecture into a desktop this tiny. This is the end of waiting. The rumors coming straight from the supply chain are getting incredibly intense. Professional video editors and 3D artists are actually freezing their budgets. They are refusing to buy new gear right now. They are actively holding off on buying those very expensive Mac Studio models. Why? Because they know the M5 Mac Mini is about to completely destroy the old idea of what a budget computer is. It brings a level of power that should absolutely not fit inside a box this small. Most normal computers today struggle with a very basic problem. Their chips get way too hot. To fix this, they need huge loud fans and a massive amount of electricity. Apple is doing the exact opposite. They are shrinking the actual brain of the computer while making it significantly stronger. The brand new M5 chip is built on a highly refined 3nm process. This pushes the absolute limits of what physics even allows us to do. But the most shocking part of this new chip is the graphics power. New leaks are showing an unbelievable 45% jump in GPU performance. That is not just a small step forward. It is a giant leap for a single generation of silicon. If you edit heavy video files or work with complex 3D art, this changes your whole life. That extra graphical power means you simply do not wait for renders anymore. The computer works so fast that you finish your job before you even realize it. This puts the tiny Mac Mini in a direct fight with giant power-hungry desktop graphics cards. Let's talk about the massive shift in how these are made. Apple is physically moving their production lines. They are currently building a brand new state-of-the-art facility in Houston, Texas. This isn't just a PR move. It is a calculated strategy to survive a changing global economy. They are officially moving away from the Made in China label for this specific product. This is a historic and huge move for the company. Moving to the United States helps Apple avoid messy international taxes and expensive tariffs. By building these complex machines right in the United States, Apple is protecting its own business. They want to ensure that when the M5 finally launches, the supply chain is just as solid as the chip inside. But making things in America naturally comes with a much higher labor cost. The golden days of the $500 Mac Mini are likely gone forever. The brand new base model will probably start at around $699. To make this price bump a lot easier to accept, Apple is doing something great. They are fully doubling the base storage. You will very likely get 512 gigabytes of space on the absolute cheapest model. This proves the M5 Mac Mini is no longer just a budget choice. It is a legitimate, serious powerhouse. You might be asking yourself why Apple would put so much insane power into their absolute cheapest computer. To find a real answer, you have to look closely at their massive plan for artificial intelligence. We are entering a time where AI does not just happen on a distant invisible server. It happens right on your physical desk. Apple calls this Apple Intelligence. The neural engine inside the new M5 chip is rumored to be 4 times faster than the previous M4. This jump in speed is absolutely incredible. It is not just about making Siri a little bit smarter. It is about doing real-time video upgrades while you edit. It is about running massive complex AI models locally on your own machine. Apple truly wants the M5 Mac Mini to become the brain of your entire home. They want you to have a literal supercomputer sitting right in your living room. Doing AI locally allows you to handle all of your private sensitive data safely and very quickly. No one else can see your data. Imagine rendering a massive 3D scene while an AI instantly summarizes all your Zoom meetings in the background. The computer will not even stutter or slow down for a second. Apple is essentially selling you a personal local AI server. Many people are wondering about the heat. The previous M for design was already incredibly small at only 5 inches by 5 inches. If this new M5 chip is so much more powerful, how does it stay cool? The secret is hidden in a brilliant internal redesign. Apple is using something brand new called thermal pillars. They are also using advanced 2.5D packaging technology. This tech physically separates the CPU and the GPU into different individual tiles. Instead of having one really big hotspot in the middle, the heat is spread out evenly across the whole surface. This allows the tiny Mac Mini to run at intense pro-level speeds for hours. It stays perfectly silent while it works hard. It does not sound like a jet engine taking off in your room. The silicon itself is really where the true magic happens. The base Model M5 chip features a 10-core CPU, but it has a crazy new feature called supercores. These specific cores are made perfectly for single-threaded tasks. Single-threaded speed is what makes a computer actually feel fast when you use it. When you click a very heavy app and it opens instantly, that is the supercore doing its job. These new cores are not just faster, they are significantly smarter. The M5 chip uses a brand new predictive branch algorithm. This technology actually anticipates your very next move. It actively tries to guess what you will click or calculate before you even move your mouse. The delay between your human thought and the computer's action is dropping to almost zero. You are finally no longer fighting against slow, laggy software, but the M5 Pro version is where things get even crazier. It uses that new fusion architecture. This tech literally bonds two separate pieces of silicon together into one single system. The communication speed between these parts is faster than anything we have ever seen before. The memory bandwidth on this machine could go over 300 gigabytes per second. That is significantly faster than high-end custom gaming PCs that easily cost 3 times as much money. The incredible fusion architecture ensures the CPU and GPU share their memory with absolute zero friction. It is heavily rumored to easily support a 4K video editing project and a complex 3D rendering model at the exact same time. You usually only ever see this kind of raw insane power in super expensive ultra chips. Bringing this specific tech to the tiny Mac Mini is a total game changer. Another massive upgrade is the storage. Reporters are saying there is a brand new SSD controller hidden inside. This piece of tech could actually double the speed of the older M4 drive. We are looking at crazy read and write speeds up to 14 gigabytes per second. This means you can move a massive 8K video file in just a couple of short seconds. This speed actually makes your physical storage feel exactly like extra RAM. The computer simply never has to wait for data to load ever again. Your computer will completely boot up in just a couple of short seconds. Massive heavy apps like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro will open the exact moment you click their icons. You will literally never see a spinning wheel or a loading bar ever again. This is the actual death of waiting. Everything happens in the absolute blink of an eye. When you combine all this raw power with brand new Thunderbolt 5 ports and Wi-Fi 7, the potential is just huge. You could easily have a clean desk setup that drives 3 massive 6K displays at once. The tiny Mac Mini will handle it all perfectly without ever breaking a sweat. It makes the machine totally future-proof for many long years to come. In my opinion, this is the most disruptive computer Apple has built in a decade. While it is always wise to wait for independent benchmark tests to confirm these supply chain leaks, the shift to 2.5D packaging and domestic American manufacturing proves Apple is taking this form factor completely seriously. It permanently erases the solid line between a normal home computer and a professional workstation. If you have been patiently waiting to upgrade your slow, old computer, this is the absolute perfect moment to do it. The M5 Mac Mini is exactly that bold vision, finally coming to life on your desk. If you like the video, subscribe. Share the video and hit the bell icon.